Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm making an Italian lemon ricotta cake from This Italian Kitchen. The recipe description says this Italian lemon ricotta cake is light, fluffy, and full of flavor. Made with ricotta cheese and fresh lemon, you're going to love this traditional Italian dessert that's also great served as a breakfast or brunch treat. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this cake was very easy to make. You just mix everything in one bowl and go. There are a few things to note. First, I baked it for 43 minutes and it came out nicely and was perfectly cooked. Next, when I added the dry ingredients, I used a spatula to finish mixing the batter because I found that that works best to keep from overmixing. Also, this was the first time that I've used butter and powdered sugar to grease the bottom of a pan. I'm not crazy about how it turned out because it caked up around the edge when I took the springform collar off, but it did have one advantage that I'll get to in a moment. For the taste test, the first bite had a bright lemon flavor without being overpowering. It was delightful. A lot of that is attributed to the lemon zest along with the juice. The cup and a half of sugar made it just sweet enough, and the powdered sugar on the bottom of the pan had the advantage of adding a nice crunch to the overall delicate texture of the cake, which was also light and fluffy. The dusting of powdered sugar on top also elevated it to a higher level. The recipe lists this step as optional, but I would definitely recommend using it. This was such a delicious cake. It was just as good after refrigerating as it was when fresh. It's so good that you want to keep eating it. It makes a great anytime treat and is the perfect light, refreshing dessert to serve after a hearty meal. I give it 10 stars and will make it again. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.